We are genuinely interested in helping clients achieve the financial goals that they have.
I've been a client along with my family and friends and family for about 25 years. Well, I've known Gary. He was actually my neighbor in the Park Lane Towers when I was a lawyer. But I referred many friends and family members. The competency level is unchallenged. Their integrity is exemplary. Their work ethic is exemplary. And their pricing is more than fair. I also utilize their services in my campaigns. I've served as a district judge and circuit judge. And they handled both campaigns extremely well. I've referred other judicial candidates and incumbent judges to them and intend to do so in the future. They're rare in that they specialize in the campaign finance law, and it's a very complex law. A law I helped draft when I worked in the state senate. And this is the law. They know it cover to cover. They answer. I helped draft the law, and they know things that I've forgotten. First and foremost would be integrity. You want people to be honest with you and forthright as to what their services entail, what the price ranges might be, and they're that way. Not only Gary, it starts at the top, the whole staff exudes his competence level. They're personable, they're competent, they're always accessible. They're always available, and their answers are always quick and correct.
We're here to serve.